Good morning, dear students. Today we will start lesson 11, Nouns, Possession. We will start lesson 11 of English grammar and its name is Nouns, Possession. Read these sentences. That cycle belongs to Reena. This bat belongs to Ravi. We can write these as. The above sentences can be written as that is Reena's cycle. This is Ravi's bat. We use apostrophe S. What is apostrophe S? A comma before the S. It is called apostrophe S and we use it to show belonging or possession. Means something belongs to someone or something is with someone. We also use it to show that something or someone is related to another. It also shows relation. Example, I know Rohan. He is brother of Ronit. I know Rohan. He is Ronit's brother. So, who is Rohan? Ronit's brother. So, how does Ronit how does Ronit relate to Rohan? He is brother of Rohan. So, he is Ronit's brother. We can take one more example. This is Joy's pencil. The pencil belongs to Joy. When a plural noun ends in when a plural noun ends in S, we do not use apostrophe S. We just use the apostrophe. We don't use apostrophe S. Rather, we use only apostrophe, only the comma above. Example, she studies in a school for the girls. So, she studies in a school for the girls. Means वो girls के school में पढ़ती है. She studies in a girls school. So, you have seen here already there is S in last. That's why it is which noun? Plural noun. Girls. The word girls is a plural noun and that's why we need not to put apostrophe and S, we will put only apostrophe at the last of girls. When a plural noun does not end in S, we add apostrophe S. If there is a plural noun and we don't have S in the end, then we will definitely use apostrophe S. If S is already there in the last, then we will not use S. But if there is no S in the last of the plural noun, then we will definitely use apostrophe S. The toys of the children are lying here. The children's toys are lying here. So, what is the plural here? Children. So, there is no S in the last of children word. That's why we will use here apostrophe S. But in above sentence, there was plural noun girls and there was already S in the last. That's why we didn't use apostrophe S. We only used apostrophe. When a singular noun ends in S, we add apostrophe to show possession. If it is a singular noun and it has S in the last, still we will use apostrophe to show possession. Means you have to remember only one thing, that if there is S in the last, either the noun is singular or plural, you have to use only apostrophe. The house of Mr. Biswas is beside the park. What is the noun here? Mr. Biswas. So, S is already there in the last of Mr. Biswas. So, we will use only apostrophe. Mr. Biswas' house is beside the park. Singular noun possession. So, for singular noun we use apostrophe s. For plural, for singular we use apostrophe s, and for plural we use, if there is s in the last, we will use only apostrophe, and if there is no s in the last, then we will use apostrophe s. So, you have to remember this thing. To show possession or belonging, we add apostrophe s to singular and plural nouns not ending in s. So, you have to take care of this thing. Either the noun is singular or plural. If it is not ending in s, so we will add apostrophe. Last में अगर s नहीं है, then only we will use apostrophe s. We add only apostrophe to singular and plural nouns ending in s. So, if there is s, whether the noun is singular, whether the noun is plural, you have to use only apostrophe if there is already s in the last. So, let us revise. Singular and plural nouns not ending in s, we use apostrophe s. To show possession, we go along with them. Examples: boys' toys. With singular noun, we have used apostrophe. Boy is a singular noun. Children's books. Children's books is plural noun, but there is no s in the last. That's why we have used apostrophe s. Now, singular and plural nouns ending in s, like fathers. Fathers is plural noun. Father's Day. So, we have used only apostrophe, not s, because there is already s in the last of fathers. In the same way, Keats' poem. Keats was a very famous poet of English literature. So, it is singular, but there is s in the last of Keats. That's why we have not used s, we have only used apostrophe. So, apostrophe is used to show possession. I go along with singular or plural nouns ending in s. Apostrophe goes with singular and plural nouns ending in s, and apostrophe s goes with singular and plural nouns not ending with s. If there is no s in the last of a word, then we will use apostrophe s, and if there is already s in the last of a word, then we will use only apostrophe. So, that was all about nouns possession, or you can say possessive nouns. Have a wonderful day, dear children.